Now let's take a look at repeating packages. Repeating packages are very similar to non-repeating packs, except they will auto-renew automatically. Let's enroll the student with a repeating pack for 60 minutes for $500 and put a few sessions on the calendar. When enrolling the student, similar to non-repeating packs, the credits get issued automatically as well as the invoice for the repeating 5-pack. Now let's take a look at what happens when marking attendance. After this student has 5 sessions, the 5-pack is gone. And then when marking the 6th session, a new 5-pack is created and used, and the invoice is created automatically. The important thing to note about credits is that credits have a duration attached to them, but they will prorate depending on the length of the session. Let's say one session gets shortened to 30 minutes. When marking attendance for this session, it will only take half a credit. Similar to non-repeating packs as well, the business admin will also receive a notification when the student runs below 2 credits in their package.